Taking a harder knock now, Cipla, which is reacting to its numbers, is down close to around 2%. You have IndusInd Bank as well that's moved lower. And Tata Motors as well is down close to around 0.5%. It suddenly moved into the red. But otherwise, there's a whole host of auto stocks. Well, they are surging in trade today. Sonia joins us to run us through that list. And why are those stocks moving up? Sonia?
Well, thanks a lot for that. As you rightly pointed out, it's a big move that's coming into the auto space this afternoon. We start with TVS Motor, which is the biggest gainer right now. A 7% rally almost is what TVS is seeing. This after the management gave a very strong guidance post its numbers. They're planning to aggressively expand their electric vehicle portfolio. They're looking to add multiple products across price points in the next 12 to 18 months. And even in the numbers this time, it was the fifth consecutive quarter of 10% plus margins. And they're guiding for volumes of 100,000 units by FY23. So that's a big mover. Apart from that, today we begin the tire companies, coming out with numbers. And CEAT is up 1.5% ahead of its results. Now, the revenues are expected to be very strong, 20%. And this is a quarter where profitability will improve for tire companies, considering that both crude and rubber prices are on the downside. So watch for Apollo Tyres as well, because on the 2nd of February is when Apollo Tyres comes out with numbers. There could be some buying perhaps ahead of the earnings. Sona BLW is the other one that's surging away, 5% rally as we speak. The management commentary on CNBC-TV18 was very strong. They expect a 25 to 30% revenue growth in the next fiscal, that's FY24. And they intend to stay at 25% margins. And finally, Mahindra CIE. The stock has been one of the biggest movers in the auto space in the last 6 months. In fact, it's rallied 45% in 6 months ever since the board decided to sell off its less profitable truck forging arms business in Europe. Now, ICICI Securities put out a note where they said that selling off the EU truck forging business would bring in 500 to 600 crores for Mahindra CIE, and the company will now focus on the other part, which is the light truck vehicles in the European Union. So these are just a couple of stocks which are doing very well in trade.
All right, Sonia, thanks so much. On a day like today, we'll take the green with both hands, and most of those names happen to be from the auto space today. Prakash Diwan is joining us on this leg of the show to take the conversation forward. Prakash, great to be talking to you again after a gap. And you're in a happy color, in a happy yellow. We're the ones